Anytime you will try to reduce the fractions, you have to keep in mind that the key tool to perform these operations is to know the multiplication table. Okay? Now, we have example 4 over 16. Okay, I have to find the greatest common factor for 4 and 16. Okay, 4 and 16 are divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. Sometimes happens, okay, that students cannot see the greatest common factor at the very first moment. So what you're supposed to do, just take a look at this example one more time. I have 4 and I have 16. 4 and 16 are even numbers. Even numbers are divisible by 2. So you can reduce numerator and denominator by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now, again, we are dealing again with even numbers. I have 2 and 8. Both of them are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay? I gave you a very easy example, but if you are going to have more complex one, you are going to apply exactly the same method and it's going to work perfect. Okay? Now let's take a look at another example. I have 10 over 35. Okay? Now, what you're supposed to realize that numbers which end with zeros and 5 are divisible by 5. So, I'm going to say that I'm going to divide 10 by 5, and 35 is divisible also by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Okay? There is no common factor which would reduce this fraction further, so that's why this is my answer. Let's check another example. I have 3 over 12. You're supposed to remember that anytime you are going to have number and you are going to add the digits in this number, let's say 1 plus 2 is 3. It means that this number is divisible by 3. Okay, so I can reduce 3 by 3, and 12 also can be reduced by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, again, if you are going to look at this answer, we cannot reduce anything, so that's why this is the final solution.